Will initialization erase all of my data on the PS4?
Hey there, gaming enthusiasts! In this video, we're going to answer a question that many PlayStation 4 users might have. Will initialization erase all of my data on the PS4?
What is PS4 initialization?
Before we jump straight to the answer, it's important to understand what PS4 initialization is. This is a process that restores your PS4 system to its original settings. This might be necessary if your system is not functioning properly, or if you're planning to sell or give away your PS4.
Will initialization erase all data?
Now to the crux of the matter. The simple answer is, yes, initialization will erase all data on your PS4. This includes your downloaded games, saved game data, earned trophies, and user profiles. Basically, it will wipe everything and return the system to its original, out-of-the-box state.
How to preserve data?
There's some good news, though. If you're initializing your PS4 because you're having issues but you still want to keep your data, there is a way to do it. You can back up your data to an external drive or to the cloud if you're a PlayStation Plus member. Then, after initialization, you can restore your saved data and profiles. In summary, yes, PS4 initialization does erase all data on your system. However, if you need to keep your data, make sure to back it up before initiating the process. We hope this video has helped clear up any uncertainties you had about the PS4 initialization process. Game on safely!